Invented by an HVAC tech for HVAC techs. Here's a quick look at how the Supco Magnecover Adjustable Magnetic Umbrella Kit has you and your tools covered on your next job, rain or shine. The Magnecover Umbrella is part of the Supco TradeFox Technician-Invented product line and was invented by a pro who zip-tied a speaker magnet to an umbrella to stay cool on a sunny day. Now, the design has been perfected to be lightweight, functional, and cost-effective. Beginning with the base, the Supco Magnetic Umbrella is supported by a heavy-duty magnetic anchor that can attach to any metal housing. The innovative design means the umbrella is easy to set up but stays in place in high-wind situations. The base can also swivel to adjust to changing winds, or even the sun, moving over the course of the workday. The umbrella itself is completely waterproof. Made with durable yet flexible fiberglass ribs, the Magnecover manages to be lightweight while still boasting a 5-foot diameter when open, providing plenty of protection from the elements. Whether you're staying cool on a scorching rooftop or keeping yourself and your tools dry on a rainy day. The Supco Magnecover Adjustable Magnetic Umbrella Kit comes with a lanyard and ships fast from coast to coast from Supplyhouse.com. Order yours today and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.